Hey there, this is Avraham with Reconvert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the product details block. This feature allows you to add subtitles or key details about your product, helping customers to make informed decisions or to highlight certain aspects that you wish to emphasize. So load up the product details block that exists within the product block of the product upsell widget or any other widget in which you see this block. On the right-hand side, you will have the option of selecting which text to display in the subtitle. So we have 5 options here. We have option name. The option name allows you to display the name of the selected product variant, for instance, like a size or a color. So if we do that here, we've got white that displays. If you select brand, this will highlight the product brand if applicable. For instance, if you've got some trainers that you're selling, could be Nike, could be Adidas. The product ribbon, if relevant, this will display any ribbon. For example, anything that you've set in your store's inventory for a ribbon, you can display here. So whatever you've selected in your store inventory by that product will be displayed. So it could be new, on sale, special, whatever ribbon you've selected for that product. We have custom text, which will allow you to enter your own text to provide some additional context for the product. And again, we have all of the formatting options, which include bold, left, central, right, or justified alignment, small, medium, large, or extra large text, and the ability to insert a hyperlink. So I'm just going to create some custom text here. I'm going to bolden it. I'm going to make it large. And I'm going to center a line to match the product title that was selected over here. So here you go. I'm going to add a link. And there you go. That's the custom text done. And finally, the final option, we have none, which will just leave that section blank, as you can see reflected in the display preview part of the screen here. Once you're happy with the selected and your preferred subtitle option, don't forget to click Save in the top right-hand corner to apply your updates. And that's it. The product details block is really simple. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your upsell offers by adding a useful product information or context to the information that you already have there. If you have any further questions about this, our customer care team is available 24/7 for your requirements. Down here, bottom right corner, go ahead and click there and you'll be connected immediately with one of our team. Thanks for watching, and as usual, happy reconverting.